Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Today is January 16th. It is Thursday. It's the natural gas report. I included a little bit over $1,000 profit. You guys can see that right here, $1,047.72. All positions closed, a total of 32 orders. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that shortly after I traded the natural gas report, that was actually the earlier video that I uploaded today. I was not thinking about uploading a second video, but then this happened. What happened to natural gas and why did it aggressively sell off? Don't worry, we're going to be talking about that. But how amazing is it that not only we experienced a bullish run on natural gas hitting highs of 217, but if you guys see the overall lows that hit 207, and if you guys look back to the 180-day chart, this is 5 months low. We haven't been this low since August of last year. Absolutely amazing. I was actually at a signing. I just sold one of my house flips, and during that signing, natural gas was aggressively selling off. It began to consolidate. I saw signs of a potential reversal. I took another position on Ugaz, and that's what allowed me to go from $700 profit on the day to over $1,000 profit. So if you guys didn't watch today's earlier video, make sure you watch that and how I traded it during the natural gas report and the overall recovery. But before we go any further, I want to talk about the simple idea of what caused natural gas to sell off so aggressively today. I hope that you guys enjoy. All right, team, let's go ahead and talk about this. And I actually wanted to show you very quickly what happened. So one of the things that I love to challenge and ask our traders is, do you understand what factors influence natural gas, right? And in my experience, I'm like a complete nerd when it comes down to trading natural gas, as it's something that I almost trade literally every single day. It's my focus. It's not something that I encourage for everyone, but it's kind of my bread and butter, to put it into perspective. Therefore, I like to really stay involved with and inform myself about what has a positive and negative catalyst on natural gas. And one of the things that I've learned is that there's two main factors. Besides technical, I'm a technical trader and I'm a big believer in patterns tending to repeat themselves, but let's be honest, they don't always have to. So it's good to inform yourself about what other factors can have both, again, a positive or negative catalyst. And these two factors in my experience would be, again, the weekly inventory report that we experience on a weekly basis on Thursday, 1 hour after the market opens. On top of that, what else can factor into, again, causing a big drop on natural gas? Weather forecasts. And why is that such a big deal? I feel like blogs and overall news articles make it very difficult to understand what happened to natural gas today. But to put it in very simple terms, natural gas is a commodity that we use, especially one of the largest regions that consume natural gas is the East Coast. And this weather forecast that was shared, that we expect warmer temperatures within early to mid-February in the East Coast. Therefore, if one of the largest regions that consume natural gas is expected to be warmer, then unfortunately that means that they're most likely going to use less natural gas. And you guys might be asking why. Well, why does the East Coast or the East region tend to use more natural gas? Well, one of the things that they are known for is, again, for their chilly weather. Therefore, they consume a little bit more natural gas than we do here in maybe Arizona or California. And the really cool thing about that is again, that natural gas does have a tendency during like winter months to do exceptionally well. But one of the things that we experienced last year is that we did so well in drilling natural gas in early 2019 that we unfortunately had a surplus of natural gas. Therefore, when we got to the winter months, the overall supply that we had did not outweigh the overall demand, and that's why we saw natural gas bleed. So not only did we see a very aggressive sell-off, but natural gas as of right now is at an overall 5-month low. And because of this news that we received for this potential weather forecast, again, nothing's set in stone, anything can happen. But one of my biggest takeaways is, again, if we're still in mid-January as of now, and understanding that the weather forecast is expected to be warmer for early February to mid-February, especially for that east part, which is the largest region for overall natural gas consumption, it wouldn't be much of a surprise because we're already so close to the overall 180-day lows that natural gas can continue to bleed in price, which means fall in price, as we then are getting closer and closer to February. There is no question that I'm a big believer that the trend is your friend, and by understanding on the fundamental side what's driving the price down for natural gas, I'm going to make sure that I keep a very close eye on the direction of natural gas and make sure that I don't take any hopeful trades. So I'm really happy that I was able to clear a little bit over $1,000 profit. Super thankful, super blessed. My daily goal is $500 profit, and today I was able to double it just because of the opportunity that I saw present itself. So I really hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. Don't forget, again, tomorrow's Friday. I would love for you to join us and being able to watch me trade live. If you like what you see on YouTube already and you would like to work with me on a closer basis and maybe even watch me trade live in the stock market, the Learn Plan Profit Group gets to see that every single day. And be sure to click that second link down below to learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group and see if it's a good fit for you. Also, we do have a free investing group. It's the largest one on Facebook with over 237,000 members. Click that first link down below and we're one click away to being one step closer in helping you get started in the stock market. Be sure to comment down below any thoughts, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.